Hey, Randall,
Yeah.
tell us a story.
Oh, I got a story for you. I was doing this inspection one time. The woman was buying the house, so she was renting the house and she was living in there. While I was doing the inspection, she was cooking dinner in the kitchen. She opened the oven door, pulled the pizza out of the oven door, promptly dumped the entire pizza on the floor while I'm there. And so she's like, "Oh, no, I do this all the time." And she picks it up. This is the best part right here. This is the whole story. She picks up this pizza. We're talking cheese, pepperoni, right? Fully loaded pizza. And she feeds the entire pizza down the garbage disposal. It is all gone in the garbage disposal. As a home inspector, I'm standing there going, "Wow, I have never seen that before." So I had to explain to her that maybe if she was going to buy the house, shoving an entire cheese pizza with wheat down the garbage disposal is not the best idea. So that would be my story.